Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling precise location so the game can lock to satellites and cell towers quickly. Open Settings, switch to High Accuracy or GPS plus Wi-Fi mode, and grant Pokémon GO location permissions. This helps reduce drift. Once done, close other apps that access location and restart Pokémon GO to force a fresh fix. Doing that first shortens wait time and prevents position jumps, because fewer processes compete for the GPS chip, and the game can read a cleaner signal. Now you improve reception. Step outside or stand by a window. Satellites need clear sight lines, so elevation helps. If your phone still drifts, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset the cellular and Wi-Fi radios, then reopen Pokémon GO. That often forces a faster GPS lock. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are on to let the app use network location when GPS is weak. Together, these actions stabilize your location because the phone blends satellite and network data. Finish by ensuring the game shows a steady blue dot or a small GPS icon before you move. That confirms a reliable fix. If the in-game marker wobbles, recalibrate your compass with a figure-8 motion. This aligns sensors and reduces pendulum movement. If issues persist, force quit Pokémon GO, clear cache, or fully restart the phone, then retry outdoors. These steps resolve most signal problems because they reset both software and sensor states, giving the app a fresh, accurate location.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.